Thank you for choosing ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we will replace the bellow. The bellow is most commonly used in many Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, and Roper washers. Our experts give this repair a Level 3 skill rating, Level 3 being moderate and may require some specialty tools and mechanical aptitude. The average time for completion of this repair is 40 minutes. ApplianceVideo.com advises you to take caution while performing this repair. During this video, you will see caution icons appear on the screen. Such icons include sharp edges, electrical dangers, gas and fire hazards, lifting hazards, water damage, and delicate components. You will need the following tools to complete this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10-inch extension bar, and a 5/16" socket wrench. Stop! Before you begin this repair, make sure the appliance is unplugged from the wall outlet. Step 1. Removing the bellow. To begin this repair, we must first remove the front and bottom panel, commonly known as the toe panel, to gain access to the bellow. There are 3 screws in the bottom of the toe panel that need to be removed. Using your number 20 torque screwdriver, remove the middle, right, and left screws by turning them counterclockwise. Now, grasp each side of the toe panel and pull down to remove. Take note of the lip on the toe panel as it tucks underneath the front panel. We are now ready to remove the spring clamp from the front of the bellow. Let's go ahead and open the washer door. Lift the bottom of the bellow up, then place your flathead screwdriver underneath the spring and bend it out. Take caution. Be careful not to damage the bellow, as it can easily be punctured. As you pull the spring forward with your flathead screwdriver, gently pull it towards you until it is completely removed from the bellow. Next, peel back the bellow's lip around the rim of the panel. To disconnect the bellow from the dispenser tube in the upper left corner of the tub, slide the bellow off the tube. We are now ready to remove the bellow's tub clamp. Locate the tub clamp's 5/16 screw by placing your hand in between the outer bellow and inner front panel. Then slightly peel back the bellow and use your 5/16" bit and ratchet to loosen this screw by turning it counterclockwise. After the clamp has been loosened enough, remove the bellow from the unit by untucking and pulling it out. Then remove the clamp. You may need to readjust and situate the clamp to take it out of the washer. Step 2. Replacing the bellow. Now that you have a new bellow, let's replace it. Take note of the triangular point on the bellow, as it is a guide to show you the top center of it. There is also a mark on the top of the tub, corresponding with the triangular point. As you can see, the bellow has a large and small diameter. The larger diameter of the bellow goes into the tub first. Now, align and lift the point of the bellow to the top center of the tub. Then tuck and push in the large diameter of the bellow all the way around the outer lip of the tub. Next, feed and insert the tub clamp around the front of the bellow, making sure the 5/16 screw is facing downward on the right side of the washer. Push back the clamp around the lip of the bellow on the inside of the outer tub. Using an extension bar with a 5/16" bit and ratchet, access the clamp from the bottom right side of the washer and turn the screw clockwise until the clamp is snug. It may help to use your other hand to hold the clamp as you tighten the screw, as this step can take some time to complete. Now, slightly tug the bellow out of the tub to make sure there are no creases or wrinkles. Then, retuck the bellow over the dispenser tube by using your fingers to stretch the opening on the bellow and push it into place. Now, tuck the bellow into the front edge of the tub. Recheck the outer lip to make sure it is fully tucked into place. To reinstall the spring clamp that secures the bellow, begin by placing the spring coil at the bottom center of the bellow. Now, insert the coil or bottom portion of the spring behind the bellow's lip. Use your knee to hold the bellow and spring in place. Then, tuck the spring behind the lip of the bellow by starting on the left and continuing clockwise. Once you get to the right side of the bellow, you will need to use some force to continue to stretch the spring around the bellow assembly. After you have tucked the spring in, double-check that it is behind the bellow and is secured into place. You can now close the washer door. Place the toe panel flush against the front panel and lift upward, sliding the lip into place until the 3 bottom screw holes are aligned. While holding the toe panel, use your number 20 torque screwdriver and reinstall the 3 bottom screws on the panel by turning them clockwise until snug. Now, reconnect your appliance to the wall outlet. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this repair. Thank you for choosing ApplianceVideo.com.